Hello everyone, Namaste. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Indrani Bhattacharya welcome you all. Today I am going to talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative, that is ZIIEI. In this video, I am going to talk about self-created dictionary developed by innovative teachers of UP, and the chapter taken here is from class 4, chapter 8, Two Precious Gems. And the time duration for the implementation of this activity is as per the requirement. The innovation is to enhance the vocabulary of the students based on the concept associated to the chapter through the information of a dictionary in the due course of time. Since this is a revision based idea, so the concept covered here is vocabulary, describing words, naming words, action words, that is ing words, and first form. The educator can use the self-created dictionary to make students get familiar with the concept of vocabulary, naming words, describing words, action words, that is ing words, and first form. Now let's see revision of the concept such as vocabulary, describing words, naming words, and action words, that is ing words, and first form, is how it is implemented in the classroom scenario. Ensure that the reading, building, and explanation of the story and the various concepts have been done earlier before providing the students self-created dictionary. The educator may ask the students to read the chapter thoroughly and note down the difficult words in the old notebook. The students will then be instructed to note down the meaning of the words that they have written in their notebook, either asking from the family members or by taking the help from the dictionary. While inquiring about different words and their meaning, students will enhance their critical thinking and decision-making skills. The students can go home and read the lesson and note down the difficult words as per their own level of understanding. They can then ask the family members for the meaning, or they can even look it into the dictionary for the meaning. For example, for the word traveler, the meaning is a person who travels. In Hindi, it is yatri. For dense, it is closely compacted. In Hindi, it is ghana. For thirsty, feeling a need to drink. In Hindi, it is pyasa. For realizing, becoming fully aware of, samajh raha hai. And for precious, of great value. In Hindi, it is anmol. Conclude by appreciating the students and motivating them to study. Through the implementation of this innovative idea, the learning outcome achieved can be that the students will be able to respond to simple instructions or announcement in English, either in the classroom or in the school. The students will be able to respond verbally or in writing in English to the question based on day-to-day life experiences, an article, a story, a poem they have heard or read. Infer the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in context. Uses of noun, verbs, adjectives, and prepositions in speech and writing. The students will be able to use dictionary to find out spellings and meaning. More questions can be framed as per different concepts of the lesson and class strength. This activity can be continued until each student gets an opportunity to respond. It should be ensured that all the students must pay attention in the class to the words responded by the other students. Make it interesting by making groups and answers to be solved via peer learning. This idea acts as a tool to enable the pedagogic practices for promoting the thinking process, decision making, and critical reflection as discussed in NCF 2005. The duration for the implementation of this activity is based on the assumption that the pupil-teacher ratio is at 30:1. The core life skill that can be included while playing the games are critical thinking and decision making and effective communication. The value that can be touched are patience, gratitude, The benefits for using this innovative idea for the children with special needs is that children with learning disabilities show improvement in executive functioning like planning, self-monitoring, etc. Spatial memory related tasks such as locating the right grid and waking up till then improves perceptual understanding in terms of discriminating similar looking letters and number on grid responding correctly to them. Slow learners will be motivated to participate and learn through teamwork. This activity will help in improving their confidence. As the demand of the game, children with ADHD will avoid reaching impulsively and talking excessively. They will learn to control themselves in a better way. I hope you are liking this video. Please do like and subscribe YouTube channel of ZIIAI, and if you are watching this video in the Facebook page of ZIIAI, please do like and share. Thank you.